Greetings, esteemed viewers. A warm welcome back to Investment Edge, your go-to source for insightful discussions on the dynamic landscape of investments. Today, we are embarking on an intriguing journey into the multifaceted realm of Tezos, a cryptocurrency meticulously crafted by the ingenious mind of Arthur Brightman, a seasoned former analyst from the prestigious financial institution, Morgan Stanley. For those of you joining us for the first time, we extend a special invitation to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you stay abreast of the most up-to-date and compelling content within the ever-evolving cryptocurrency space. Our commitment is to bring you valuable insights, and subscribing is your ticket to an ongoing exploration of the latest trends, developments, and opportunities in the world of finance. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the intricate details that make Tezos a standout player in the cryptocurrency arena. Buckle up as we unravel the layers of innovation, governance, and technological prowess embedded within the Tezos blockchain. Tezos, commonly known by its ticker symbol XTZ, transcends the conventional definition of a cryptocurrency, emerging as a dynamic smart contract platform that distinguishes itself through a myriad of innovative features. In stark contrast to traditional mining-centric systems that rely on complex algorithms to secure transactions and mint new coins, Tezos disrupts the norm by eschewing the mining process altogether. What sets Tezos apart is its unwavering commitment to self-amendment and on-chain governance, charting a unique course in the vast landscape of blockchain technology. The platform's architects envision a decentralized ecosystem where the community actively participates in shaping the protocol's evolution. This emphasis on community-driven development fosters a sense of inclusivity, enabling stakeholders to propose and vote on amendments, ultimately steering the platform towards continuous improvement. By steering clear of the resource-intensive mining practices, Tezos adopts a more sustainable approach, aligning itself with the principles of energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. This departure from traditional mining not only reduces the ecological footprint but also opens up new possibilities for scalability and adaptability, making Tezos a trailblazer in the ever-evolving crypto space. In essence, Tezos doesn't merely function as a transactional currency. It serves as a versatile and responsive platform that empowers its user base to actively participate in the ongoing narrative of its development. The marriage of self-amendment and on-chain governance not only establishes a robust foundation for the platform's evolution but also positions Tezos as a beacon of innovation, offering a glimpse into the future possibilities of decentralized, community-centric blockchain ecosystems. At the helm of Tezos stands the visionary architect, Arthur Brightman, whose foresight has propelled the platform into a realm where evolution is not just a concept but a fundamental principle. Brightman's vision extends beyond the static nature of traditional blockchains. He envisions Tezos as a dynamic ecosystem that learns, adapts, and evolves over time. Tezos, constructed on a foundation reminiscent of Ethereum's blockchain, represents more than just a decentralized ledger. It serves as a sophisticated host for smart contracts, unlocking a realm of possibilities that extend far beyond the confines of basic transactions. Smart contracts on Tezos act as self-executing agreements with the added capability of being a catalyst for change within the ecosystem. Unlike static blockchain networks, Tezos places a powerful tool in the hands of its community, the ability to actively participate in the governance and improvement of the entire system. This goes beyond mere token ownership. Users on Tezos have the privilege of casting their votes on proposed amendments and changes, thereby contributing to the platform's evolutionary journey. In Brightman's vision, Tezos is not just a blockchain, it's a living organism, continuously learning from its past, adapting to present needs, and paving the way for a dynamic future. The incorporation of smart contracts not only facilitates seamless transactions but also empowers users to engage in a democratic process, making collective decisions that shape the very fabric of the platform. Tezos, under Brightman's guidance, becomes more than a decentralized ledger. It becomes a collaborative space where innovation thrives, and the community becomes an integral part of the developmental narrative. In this paradigm, the evolution of Tezos is not dictated solely by technological advancements but by the collective intelligence and engagement of its diverse user base, establishing it as a pioneering force in the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology. A pivotal element that distinguishes Tezos from its blockchain counterparts is its robust on-chain governance system. Unlike many other platforms, Tezos empowers its community with a direct voice in the evolution of the protocol. This unique feature grants users the authority to actively participate in the decision-making process by casting votes on proposed alterations and enhancements. In the spirit of decentralization, Tezos takes a democratic approach to governance, allowing token holders to wield their voting rights or delegate them to trusted entities within the network. This innovative mechanism not only enhances the inclusivity of the decision-making process but also ensures a more distributed and diverse representation of interests within the Tezos ecosystem. The decentralized nature of Tezos' governance model is a departure from the top-down decision structures often seen in traditional institutions. This democratization of decision-making not only aligns with the ethos of blockchain technology but also fosters a sense of community ownership and responsibility. By giving individuals the ability to influence the trajectory of the platform, Tezos transcends the limitations of centralized control, embracing a more inclusive and participatory paradigm. In essence, Tezos' commitment to on-chain governance serves as a testament to its dedication to community-driven development. This democratic ethos not only sets it apart within the blockchain space but also positions Tezos as a trailblazer in creating a governance model that resonates with the principles of transparency, inclusivity, and adaptability. Let's delve into the technical underpinnings of Tezos. At the core of its programming architecture is the utilization of OCA-ML, a programming language renowned for its exceptional speed, flexibility, and functionality. This deliberate selection of OCA-ML underscores the ambitious nature of the Tezos project and aligns seamlessly with its intricate technical requirements. OCA-ML, characterized by its strong type system and support for functional programming paradigms, provides Tezos with a solid foundation for robust and efficient source code implementation. The language's speed is particularly advantageous for a project of Tezos scale, enabling swift execution of complex operations and contributing to the overall responsiveness of the platform. The flexibility inherent in OCA-ML empowers Tezos developers to navigate the intricate landscape of blockchain development with agility. This adaptability is crucial in the ever-evolving realm of cryptocurrency, where staying ahead of technological advancements is paramount. Tezos' strategic use of OCA-ML positions it at the forefront of innovation, allowing for seamless integration of new features and optimizations as the project continues to evolve. Furthermore, the technical requirements of Tezos, with its emphasis on self-amendment and on-chain governance, demand a programming language that not only meets but exceeds industry standards. OCA-ML's ability to handle these sophisticated functionalities with precision and efficiency contributes significantly to the success and resilience of Tezos as a forward-thinking smart contract platform. In summary, the incorporation of OCA-ML into Tezos' technological framework is a deliberate and strategic choice. It not only speaks to the project's ambitious aspirations but also ensures that the platform is equipped with a powerful programming language that can navigate the complexities of blockchain development, setting the stage for a future-proof and technically robust ecosystem. While many cryptocurrencies use proof-of-stake or delegated proof-of-stake, Tezos introduces a unique consensus algorithm called liquid proof-of-stake. This innovative approach aims to strike a balance between security and decentralization while leveraging the benefits of delegated proof-of-stake. In Tezos, the staking process is known as baking. To qualify as a delegate, bakers need at least 8,000 XTZ. Bakers are rewarded for signing up and publishing blocks, but bad behavior may lead to the forfeiture of deposits. At the beginning of each cycle, bakers are randomly selected and published. They earn 40 XTZ for baking a block, while 32 endorsers verify the last block and receive 1.25 XTZ for each endorsed block. Tezos employs a protocol-defined inflation model to fund block rewards. The goal is to maintain a roughly 5.5% annual growth in XTZ tokens. Currently, with approximately 78.8% of Tezos tokens delegated, the annualized yield is around 5.8%. In order to uphold a high standard of honesty within the Tezos network, a stringent protocol is in place for bakers and endorsers. As part of this protocol, these network participants are mandated to submit a security deposit for each block they handle. This security deposit serves as a pivotal deterrent, acting as a formidable barrier against potential malicious activities such as double baking or endorsing. The significance of this security deposit cannot be overstated, as it plays a central role in safeguarding the integrity of the Tezos network. By imposing a financial commitment from those involved in the validation and endorsement processes, Tezos establishes a mechanism that discourages any attempts at fraudulent or harmful actions. This not only fortifies the network against potential threats but also fosters a sense of accountability among bakers and endorsers. The requirement for a security deposit aligns with Tezos' overarching commitment to maintaining a secure and trustworthy blockchain ecosystem. It introduces a layer of economic disincentives, discouraging any behavior that might compromise the reliability of the network. This proactive approach to security underscores Tezos' dedication to not only fostering a robust technological infrastructure but also ensuring the sustained trust of its user base. In essence, The imposition of a security deposit is not merely a procedural formality, it represents a deliberate and crucial step in Tezos' comprehensive strategy for network security. It reflects the platform's commitment to creating an environment where the actions of participants are governed by a strong ethical framework, reinforcing the resilience and trustworthiness of the Tezos blockchain. In 2018, Tezos successfully launched its main network after overcoming corporate governance disputes. The Tezos Foundation, which raised a whopping $232 million in July 2017 through one of the largest ever initial coin offerings, played a pivotal role in building and supporting the network. For a comprehensive review of Tezos, be sure to check out Coin Bureau. And that wraps up our deep dive into Tezos. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in to your channel name, and I'll see you in the next one.